guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making enchiladas. So let's begin. So to begin with, I have some pre-cooked mince, which I'm going to just make a wrap. So I'm going to now add some creamy sauce, which is just a ready-made creamy sauce, and I'm going to make this into a wrap. So I'm going to make a wrap, and then I'm going to just transfer it into a oven dish, and I'm just going to just start lining these up. So I have these all lined up in an oven dish. I'm going to just put some grated cheese on top like this, just covering most of the center, like so. So I'm going to just drizzle with a bit of tomato sauce, and sprinkle with some chopped peppers. And I'm going to sprinkle with some garlic granules. I'm going to pop this in the oven on a gas mark 6 for about 20 minutes. The enchiladas are now ready. I'm going to now plate these up. And here we go, our finished enchiladas. Give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.